Hey everyone, welcome back to IBF Tool channel. If your iPhone shows iPhone Locked To Owner, it means it's still linked to the previous owner's Apple ID and you can't use it without their password. This is called iCloud Activation Lock, and it's designed to prevent theft. But it can also be a headache if you bought a used iPhone or even forgot your own Apple ID. If you have this problem, do not worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to bypass this lock and get your iPhone. Let's get started. Important notice: bypassing iCloud lock on a device you don't own without permission is illegal. This video is for educational purposes only. Solution 1. Ask the original owner to remove iCloud lock. If you purchased a secondhand iPhone, the most official and straightforward method is to ask the original owner to remove the activation lock remotely via iCloud. First, ask the original owner to visit iCloud.com/find on a computer or another phone and log into their Apple ID. Next, they should locate the locked device in the list. Then select Remove this device and follow the on-screen instructions. Once completed, go back to your iPhone, restart the setup process, and the activation lock will be gone. Now you can set up your iPhone as a new device. This method is officially supported by Apple and ensures iCloud functions remain intact. However, it only works if you can contact the original owner. Solution 2. Use DNS bypass for temporary access. If you just need temporary access to certain functions on your iPhone, you can try the DNS bypass method. On the Wi-Fi selection page, press and hold the side button to bring up more settings. Then select WLAN settings. The eye icon will appear next to the connected networks. Tap it and scroll down to find DNS settings. Then enter the DNS address to modify the servers based on your region. Tap. Save when you're done entering. Then tap Back and Next. Then go back to the Wi-Fi page and tap Connected Networks. This will open a limited-use interface where you can browse the web and access some apps. This method is easy to use and can be helpful in emergencies, but it does not permanently unlock your iPhone, and you won't have full functionality. Solution 3. Unlock using IBF Tool. Launch IBF Tool and connect your iPhone to the computer. Select the device type and the iOS version, then click the right button. The software will now start removing the activation lock. Just wait for the process to finish. When done, try to reactivate the iPhone again to see if it fixed, and you won't see the activation lock screen again. That's it! Okay, these are the 3 ways to unlock an iPhone locked to owner. Each method has its own usage scenario, whether you are using an official solution or a third-party tool. If you are facing this problem, I hope this video will help you. Have any questions? You can contact us or write a comment, and we'll do our best to answer you as fast as we can. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.